Buen dia. It's super early, way earlier than normally. But that's because today we are going on a sunrise safari.
Amalia,
Yeah?
this reminds me of Indonesia.
It really does. I feel more safe here in Madeira, I'll say that. And I have an idea it's more structured as well.
And this is our driver of the day.
Morning, guys.
Good morning. What's your name?
My name is Jeff, and I'm the driver from Hit the Road Tours.
Hit the road, Jack. Was that the...
That was that's
Deer?
the American version. This is the Madeiran version.
So we are going to the top of the world today.
Yes, we are. We're going to Pico do Arieiro.
You guarantee the sunrise.
Today, yeah.
Every time we have done that, I think this is our third or fourth time doing a Arieiro sunrise, and we've been like so miserable in the beginning, but then let's do it again tomorrow. Is it picnic time, Amalia?
It's picnic time. This
What
is on a very steady surface. So we have actually been provided with a healthy picnic, Joen.
Mm-hmm.
Something healthy. That's something that doesn't
I
really
don't.
rhyme with
What
you,
does that
but
mean? Healthy? What word is
I
that?
know.
Is it vegetarian?
Yeah, but you're gonna eat it.
What
and you're
about
gonna like it.
what about a Viking like me? I need the blood dripping, Amalia.
I know. You can do that later. Now you're gonna be healthy for once.
Okay, I mean.
Which I think we need, because the picado, we have had too much picado for too many days.
Picado,
now.
Amalia, it's meat and it's fries. It's all you need to get a healthy life.
That's a balanced diet, right?
So where are we going now?
Now we're gonna head down into the forests.
Ooh.
Yeah.
What's the name of your car? You've obviously you've nicknamed it, right?
This is the Beast. Yeah,
How old is it?
This one is 20 something. I think it's 20. Must be 21 or 22. It's up in the mountains. It used to snow quite a lot here. It still does, but not nearly as much as it used to.
No.
So they used to have, I think it was either 5 or 7, I can't remember, my memory's a bit bad. Now there's only one of them. So Funchal is just below. You can see the pier.
Yeah.
So they used to hike up here. The hike up here takes about 4 hours, and they bring goatskin bags, like the ones that they used to use for wine, to travel wine around from like Santana and places like that. And they used to fill that up with ice, put it on their back, and run down to Funchal. Can you guess what they use the ice for?
To store their own
cocktails.
refrigerator.
Almost.
Pancha!
No, but almost cocktails. Ice cream.
Oh,
Really?
okay.
Ice cream for Reed's Palace where you guys are staying.
Yeah, really?
And for the Savoy at the time.
So we just stopped here another time. We have made quite a lot of stops here just to enjoy the nature. And one thing that you really realize on this tour is how amazing Madeira is from the different levels you go. Like every time we stop at a new place, we are like, okay, this could be Switzerland, or this could be Vietnam, or this could be Australia. But in reality, it's just Madeira.
Espectaculo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Can I with coffee? I can, eh?
No, not funny business here.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
No straw.
Uma pontinha.
Uma pontinha.
Okay guys, let's talk about Sagres Vacations. They are the ones making all these wonderful experiences come true.
Sagres Vacations offer 100% customized trips around Portugal, whether you want to go to Alentejo, Douro, Madeira, or basically anywhere you want.
So far we have had some of the best experiences with Sagres Vacations.
And that says a lot because we have been traveling Portugal non-stop since August 2018.
With Sagres Vacations you get your own private guides who will take you around in style.
In our opinion, it really is the best way to explore Portugal because you get all the right food, go all the right places, and get all the right knowledge.
If you send our friend Patricia an email, she'll help you plan your dream trip.
And if you mention Stay Class, you get 10% off your entire trip.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
You're trying to kill us!
Oh my god, look at the view though, yeah?
Well, we'll see it when we fall down the cliff. Amalie, you were just saying something off camera.
I said I think we should move to Madeira.
Uh-oh!
But we have to go visit Denmark more often than we do now.
Amalie, you can't make those kind of compromises.
Yeah, that's the only compromise. You should be able
What, you want to go to Denmark every second week or?
No, second month.
Well, now you don't. Now I want to stay in Lisbon.
You hate Denmark. Before we sat in the car here after the puncher, they asked us, guys, do you need to pee? And I'm getting now why they asked if we needed to pee, because if you had to pee now, you would be fucked.
Well, I just shat.
Imagina que isso era não defender. Roller coaster.
I love your laugh.
The wheels are, I mean, it's an off-road car we got, but I think this is a bit too off-road, if I have to be honest.
They're gonna clear the way.
Really? I can't believe that they're actually clearing the whole way. Woo! I can't believe they did it!
We made it. And how fast they did it.
Yeah.
10 minutes gone.
Unbelievable. Fala dinamarquês?
Não.
Então falamos português. What do you call these houses?
The real word is called a colmo, but many people of course know this as the Santana house. This one belongs to this lady.
Okay.
And her family, of course. And sometimes there's a little cousin or something from Jersey that comes here and sleeps in
From
this
Jersey?
place. Yeah, there's a lot of Madeirans in Jersey.
And how many times have they changed the roof?
Quantas vezes já mudaste a palha?
Isso tem que ser 3 ou 4 anos, de 4 em 4 anos, mais ou menos.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. This is what you don't see when you go to Santana. You only see like small stores selling poncho and magnets.
Yeah.
But here,
And fake poncho on top of it.
yeah. But here you get the real deal. This is how they were actually used, right?
Yeah.
Some
So
family
cute.
photos.
The bit of
Family
a
photos of the
religious.
And they still use the kitchen outside.
Yeah.
This is the Shaggin' Wagon.
The shaggin' wagon. Hey, you guys looking for a house in Madeira, aren't you?
Yeah.
This is
Is this for sale?
This one? Maybe. At the right price?
At the right price, everything is for sale. Okay, yeah, there's no doubt that they do that.
I just missed you.
How fucking tall were they back then? Oh, I would love to taste what they cook here.
Look at the pots.
A sua comida é bom?
Ah, não sei.
Deve ser.
Semilhas com pipinelas.
Amelia, your family is here!
Oh, hi, Daddy.
Oh, that's your brother!
Hi. Oh, look at your sweet eyes.
Oh, hello, little friend. I feel so bad to meet you, but you do so good. Hey, little fellers. Obrigadinho.
Ai, serei meu dono e companheiro, e sem amigos se não sou solteiro. E se eu morrer o teto que não caia, porque o mendigo dorme da praia. Tenho uma trompa.
Oh!
Saúde, carinho, amor.
Lovely.
Estás olhada de porco.
Obrigada.
É na Donut Light.
Is lamb?
No, it's
It is lamb.
And
it's the same size as my head.
Yeah, but there's much more inside here.
I would beg to differ. It's a joelheira de porco. It's the part of the top part of the thigh.
Is this like unique for Madeira, this food here?
It is unique from Madeira?
From Madeira, yes.
This is so good. Oh my god, look at this, Joen. Are you looking?
Unbelievable. Look at this. It's just, it peels off the bone. Oh my god. This is worth traveling for, even if you live in China.
Here's to that.
Anybody want a peanut?
This was a lot of fun. So thank you.
Thank you. I had a great day.
This was unbelievable. The beast really was a beast today. I mean,
Look how dirty he is now.
this is like the ultimate.
You guys have fun,
We will.
and we'll do it again sometime.
Yeah, let's
definitely.
do it soon.
Take care of the beast.
Yes, I'll try.
See
Okay.
you.
Bye.
Bye.
What a day today, Amalie.
And what a way to end the day with this kind of dinner. I've been wanting to eat at this restaurant ever since Joen's father recommended it to us.
We are sitting here at the most desired table at Villa Cipriani, which is the Belmont restaurant. It's right next door, and you have the same marvelous view. This hotel here, Belmont, probably one of my all-time favorites, and we haven't even gone into detail with it because we will do that tomorrow, where we will dedicate an entire video to everything about this hotel, because this is not just any hotel.
Oh, I'm excited for that one.
Beautiful. What do we do to deserve this?
We work very hard. That's what we do. And I actually must say that I'm very happy to have some Italian today, because even though I love all the Portuguese food, it's nice with a change now and then. And I think that Funchal is actually one of the best places in Portugal to have food from around the world that isn't necessarily Portuguese.
There are 1,500 restaurants on Madeira and around 250,000 people. So restaurant per capita is higher than any other place in Portugal. But Amalie, I mean, it's been such a long and beautiful day. We were up, well, I think we should honestly just finish the day here, because what more can we really ask for?
Also, it's so romantic here. I kind of want to have a little romantic moment.
Yeah. Here comes the airplane.
It's romantic.
Okay. Wow.
Obrigada por ver o vídeo.
See you in the next one.
Hey, you. Yes, you. Has your wife been dissatisfied with you lately? Do you want to make it up to her? Perfect. Treat her with a getaway at the Belmont Reed's Palace.